This is CKA challenge question 3. Having the weightage of 5%. Create a pod called pod-multi with two containers with the description mentioned below. Container 1 name will be container 1 and image to use is Nginx. Container 2 having the name of container 2, image, busybox and command to sleep for 4800 seconds. This question requires you to create a Kubernetes pod called pod-multi with two containers, each having a different image and configuration. The first container is named container 1 and use the Nginx image. Nginx image is the popular web server that can be used to serve static content or act as a reverse proxy for dynamic applications. The container will run the Nginx process and expose the default port 80, which can be used to access the web server. The second container is named container 2 and uses the busybox image. Busybox image is a lightweighted container image that provides a set of Unix utility in a single binary file. In this case, the container is configured to run the sleep command with a duration of 48 seconds, which means that it will run for almost 1.5 hours before completing its executions. The purpose of having two containers in a single pod is to enable them to share the same network namespaces and file system. This can be useful for scenarios where multiple containers need to work together to perform a specific task, or when they need to access shared resources like volume or environment variables. When you create the pod with name pod-multi, both containers will schedule to run on the same node and will be started at the same time. The Kubernetes system will ensure that the containers are always running and will automatically restart when if they fail or terminate for any reason. Take on the challenge for solving these questions on your own first. But if you encounter any difficulty in solving it, refer the next video for solutions. Good luck. So we have to create a multi container pod with the descriptions that provided in the questions for each container. So let's start. Kubectl run pod multi, the name of the pod and the image. We are going to use first one. Image will be Nginx, and now generate the YAML file for this. So we have the YAML file and we will modify it accordingly. Just copy it. Vi, this is the second number of multi pod dot YAML. Paste it. Remove the definitions, the created timestamp not required. Okay, so the name is perfectly fine. The container, okay, we have to change the name here. The container one, it should be container one as per the question. And copy this all part because I have to use it again for creating the second one. Insert it. Okay, here the image that we have to use is busybox, and it should be container 2 and again we have to use command. That will be sleep for 4800 seconds. 4800 and give a command of sleep. Okay, that's it. So just save it. qctl apply and put the file name to. Okay, so now the pod gets created. qctl get pod. So you can find that the pod multi with two container, 2 out of 2 is running. So let's monitor it. qctl describe pod. What is the name of pod? Pod multi. Okay. So if you scroll a little bit above, you can find that there is a container 2 with a busy box having the command sleeping for 4800 seconds, and the container 1 is running with Nginx images. Oh, perfect. So in this way we complete this activity.